Hey my loves, I know you guys have been waiting for this video for so long. This is my house tour. Now I might be doing another one going more in depth because I know this time I didn't really spend too much time showing decorations and things like that. Also, we are planning on decorating a little bit more. Now, this first room on the left is the dining room. The furniture is all from Ashley's. So is this office set. Our office, we all use it. I mean, the printer's in there, so whenever we need to do any kind of paperwork or print anything, we go in there. And then off to the little corner here, we have the guest bathroom, which my mother decorated very beautifully with this beach theme. Very pretty blue, coral, and things of that nature. Now, if you've seen my other house tour, you would know this closet. We just put some extra things in there, extra napkins and other toiletries, things like that. Now off to this side is the kitchen. We did end up upgrading the microwave and the dishwasher. The oven was fine, but the stovetop we did change as well. Now they're walking through the kitchen. You see the breakfast table. I was just showing you here the extra decorations my mom put on the top. My iPad. I was watching YouTube before I did this. The little coffee station, or whatever you would want to call that. I know, my headphones right there. Yeah, so that's the breakfast table. And then off into the living room. That's the back door. Off into the living room. And like I mentioned before, all of our furniture is from Ashley's. I'm not actually sure where my dad's recliner is from. I am going to show you guys the little decorations we have up on top. Yep, right there. I love the little, the touch of green. Now that plant, you see that's coming down right there. We got that plant actually when we moved in, and it was so small, and now it's super long. Now into my parents' bedroom. To the side, that's the laundry room. Off to the garage. I know you see all those fragrances because I work in fragrances, and I got tons and tons for free. They didn't make their bed. That goes into their master bathroom. I love that bathtub. They do have the double sinks and then the shower right there, as well as their master closet. Now, I just want to show you guys the little TBT of me, my sister, and my brother. I am the youngest. Now, going up the stairs, we just got these little I'm just gonna say things from Target. They were on clearance, so they were only about $10. Now walking towards my brother's room, his bathroom is right here to the right. I'm not gonna go too far into it because that's kind of his space. Also my sister's room, I definitely don't want to go in there. You guys can pretty much see everything right from the door. All of that furniture is actually from IKEA, most of it, and I actually put it together. It's very hard. I probably wouldn't suggest doing it if you're not super patient, but yeah. So, you're welcome, Jeanette. Now, we're gonna go back and go across the little hall here to the guest bedroom. There is a little closet here. I'm gonna show you the little. Oh, there goes the doll. Across this way is kind of a second living room, which we don't really use. Me and my sister use it to work out when we don't feel like going to the gym. This is the guest room. Now again, the bed is not made because We were washing the sheets, so we didn't feel a need to, put the whole bed together until after we put it back. So we do store some luggage in there for right now because we don't know where to put it at the moment. Now, one of these two couches actually come out and turn into a bed. So in case we have more guests than only to fit in that one bedroom, we do have a place for them to sleep. We are supposed to put a projector in here that we've had since we moved, and my father still has not done that. Alright guys, and that is it for my house tour. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share the video. It will be much appreciated. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.